A mainstream scooter model that aimed at dynamic young people who like modernity and personality. It has a soft and slim look aimed at mainly young customers, suitable for both men and women. Welcome to Motoscoop. Introducing the all-new Honda Moove. The scooter has an overall length, width, and height of 1,851 by 683 by 1,102 millimeters. The wheelbase is 1,256 millimeters long, the seat height is 740 millimeters, and the ground clearance is 139 millimeters. The fuel tank capacity is also smaller than the Vision 1.5 liters at 3.7 liters and has a weight of 100 kilograms. Moove 110 has a front-end design with double headlights with halogen bulbs integrated with a rather subtle LED daytime running light strip. The turn signal lights are arranged just above the top right and left corners of the headlight cluster, combining the 3D car stamps with a fairly simple color scheme but enough to make the scooter stand out. The instrument cluster on the new Honda Moove is designed with color and modernity using a completely analog clock, without an electronic screen. The scooter has two storage areas, which are two small niches at the neck of the scooter that can fit small and light items. The legroom is wide, creating a comfortable feeling when driving. The Honda Moove 110 saddle is designed to be quite wide and comfortable. The soft line separating the driver and the rear seat passenger below the saddle is a rather large storage compartment that can fit a large helmet very handy. The taillights are made quite large and match the design of the rear of the scooter. The exhaust is traditionally designed with a rear shock absorber equipped with a single shock absorber, set to the right when viewed from the front. The new Honda Moove 110 is equipped with a CBS combined braking system with disc brakes at the front and drum brakes at the rear. The scooter uses 12-inch double 5-spoke alloy wheels with 190 by 12 and 110/90 by 12 tubeless tires. Honda equips Honda Moove 2022 with 110 cubic centimeters ESP engine, 4-stroke, electronic fuel injection, air-cooled, integrated with idling stop technology. The scooter has a capacity of 8.8 horsepower at 7,500 RPM, maximum torque of 9.27 Nm at 5,500 RPM, V-matic gearbox. The fancy design and fuel consumption of only 1.6 liters per 100 kilometers are the reasons why customers are willing to spend money for this model. Honda Moove 110 scooter price is about 70,000 Indian rupee approximately. 48,900 in Philippine peso. Are you planning to buy this motorcycle unit? Let me know in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.